Besides the cult industry favorites that everyone seems to harp on about, these are my stunning vitamin C serum picks that have done wonderful things for my skin. First up, we have the Synergie Skin Efficacy Essential Vitamin C Serum. This is a non-acidic, non-irritant vitamin C serum which is suitable for all skin types. And when I say all skin types, it means even sensitive skin types or reactive skin types like my own can benefit and get away with using this serum. Its triple antioxidant formula actually enhances collagen production. It minimizes wrinkles, it boosts skin hydration levels, and the formula is absolutely beautiful. It has this gorgeous, luxurious, cushiony feel and texture. So your skin really does feel plump and hydrated. And it doesn't have that strange or unpleasant smell that most vitamin C products or serums tend to have. It is so fast absorbing and effective that it scavenges free radicals within just 30 minutes. And it helps to neutralize that solar or even environmental pollutant damage in the skin or on the skin. It's an absolutely wonderful product. You will not regret trying, buying, using it. Next vitamin C serum, I completely used up and I forgot to keep the bottle. So I actually have the lab sample bottle from when I first trialed this vitamin C serum many moons ago. The reason why I still have this bottle is because it was a lab sample and it was like, shh, top secret. So this is like a little memento for me. What the actual vitamin C serum looks like is this. It is by Go-To Beauty. It is the Go-To Much Brighter Skin Brightening Vitamin C Serum. This has been formulated with a non-irritating form of vitamin C, along with a few other ingredients which I'll list here. I would say that this vitamin C serum helped to brighten my overall complexion, but I feel in comparison to the Synergie Skin Efficacy Vitamin C Serum, which I featured earlier, I feel like that gives me more of an overall brighter skin look, but also a targeted delivery system to help with hyperpigmentation, any discoloration, but again, a very stunning vitamin C serum. I'll be sure to leave a link to where you can purchase not just this serum, but all of the serums down below in the description box. Next, I have a vitamin C serum from a brand which is considered the sage of the skincare world, Paulas Choice. This is the C15 Super Booster with 15% vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid. This is a versatile one. It can be used on its own or mixed in with your serums or moisturizers. Just have a read of the ingredient list and if it's appropriate to mix it in. You can use this in the AM or the PM depending on your skincare regime. Of course, if you are using any of these vitamin C serums throughout the day, make sure you use sunscreen and reapply your sunscreen regularly. I will say that the only thing that I don't like is like this dropper system. I would much prefer a pump. I just feel like it's more hygienic. Wouldn't this have been like better? I don't know. I just prefer like a pump. This is a fun one from Sephora and actually reasonably priced. It is the Youth to the People 15% vitamin C clean caffeine energy serum, which helps to brighten, firm, and depuff. So this has a stable triple C complex and additional skincare ingredients here as well, which I will list. If you're somebody who wants the skin brightening benefits, but also helps to depuff your face and wake you up in the morning, this is a great pick. You will need to apply a little bit more of this product, so roughly 3 to 4 pumps. And as a drier skin type, I do need to use a moisturizer afterwards. I just find that it's not as plumping or hydrating as some of the other formulants, but nonetheless, a pleasure to use. On days that I am really puffy, I tend to reach into my refrigerator, grab my rose quartz or jade rollers, and I start to work on my face, on my lymphatic system, just to get everything flowing again and just to help depuff the face situation. Finally, we have the Is Clinical Super Serum Advanced Plus. It's got a mashup of hero ingredients. It has your 15% concentration of vitamin C and a bio-identical copper tripeptide. It really does help to improve like the overall appearance of textured skin and not just brighten the overall complexion. I feel like this is a double whammy. Maybe even a triple whammy if you include like the fine lines and wrinkles. 3 to 4 drops will do the skin on your face, the neck, and also on your chest. And of course, it helps protect your skin against environmental aggressors. So lovely to speak to you all again. I really do miss you, and I look forward to seeing you all in a brand new video, hopefully soon. I have moved. I am in a brand new space with a lot of life changes, which I will slowly update you on. You can find all of the products that I have mentioned in the description box down below. So you subscribe to my channel, head over to my social media platforms to stay connected and up to date. And I look forward to seeing you all in a brand new video really soon. Bye.